Hello everybody, and thank you for joining. We are at the Shelby Heritage Center in Las Vegas. So right now we're going to take you guys on a tour of the museum section and go ahead and show you some real authentic Shelbys. Here's the first one on the block. Again, we are at the Shelby facility here in Las Vegas. So let's go ahead and start taking a look at the museum. Again, these are all real Shelby cars we're going to take a look at here. This one's a 289. Oh, sorry about that. I'm still trying to learn how to use this thing, so I apologize. There is some audio coming from a Shelby video, promotional video in the background, so I'm just gonna only talk a few times here and give you a chance to look at these beautiful cars. If anybody wants a Shelby jacket, a real one, an original crew jacket, $400. Now this one is available for sale here. Try to zoom in on the engine for you guys. Looks like it has MSD ignition. .427 single overhead cam. Obviously has some reproduction wind deflectors / visors that have not had the first layer peeled off on her. Now here is a 427 Shelby. Take a look at this beauty. She's got the dual quad Hollies set up, supercharged. Try to zoom in here gently as possible for you guys. Okay. This one has to be my personal favorite here. I mean, how could it not be? .427 fuel injected. Again, we'll do a little zoom. Yeah, I'm still using that same device I mentioned earlier, so I'm still trying to learn how to use it fully. Take a look at this one right here. 427. Oops. Now here is a GT350. Beautiful restoration. Love these center caps, by the way. Now here is a GT 500. Sorry again for the rapid zoom and extraction here. Let's try to get all the details for you guys. GT 500 here. Here's a GT 500 King of the Road KR. .428 Cobra jet. This one here looks like she might be sweating some horsepower, aka leaking some oil, but this one actually has the hood open, so we'll take a quick look there too. As you can see, these are beautiful restorations. I will try to zoom in as least violently as possible. That was still violent. There we go. It even has the correct Autolite battery. GT350 convertible. Absolutely beautiful, from color to the wheels. And there's a little Easter egg here for you guys. There's a Carroll Shelby signature right there on the door. Now here is something I'm sure you guys are all excited to see. Real deal. Again, this is at the Shelby Museum. All these cars are real Shelbys. This one's a bit further back, so I can't get the exact most close-up video of her, but as you can see, she's stunning. Now looky here. This one's under the Aston nameplate. Very unrestored, of course, which is always actually nice to see. Now we're going to some of the newer ones, and then I'll show you guys the production facility as best as I can. Got some meats on those tires. Again, if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these cars, you guys can contact Shelby Las Vegas. Some of these cars, including some of the older Shelbys, are available for sale. GT500 Super Sync. Beautiful wheels. So this was the museum. We'll take you guys for a quick view of the production facility. there is a crowd by it right now, so I'm trying to sneak in once they depart. So we'll do a quick review of these cars real quick. Alright, we'll head over anyways, but I want to show you guys this cool table here. Just to check it out. Sorry for the glare, but check it out here. Here is the production facility.
Mr. Ford, you got a beautiful young Italian wife named Christina. She looks around, she says, I see nothing that looks like a Ferrari. So lawyers come over and talk to you. You're expected to sign on the dotted line order and $2 million. The last moment you throw down your ink pen, what do you say, sir?
My cars are not for sale to a man who makes fat, ugly cars.
Fat, ugly cars. So you're the king of Detroit. You don't like this. You're not going to say this thing on these last orders.
We can't buy the old mass cars. We'll build our own car and kick you ass.
Kick his ass. Everybody wants to kick your ass. What's wrong with you? You better watch your own Dr. Phil. That's it. You had to have all this anger to have the greatest race in the decade. You got to spend more money on cars than Liverpool. You're the king that always had to have a king. You probably your race never would have happened. You got ability and hatred. You got king hatred. He's sort of
Here's the man himself.
When you look at my Cobra, there's a little point right there. Every knockoff.
Alright everybody, thanks again for checking out this video. Sorry if there was some audio / zoom issues, but hopefully it gave you guys an idea of what it's like at the Shelby facility here in Las Vegas. Thank you guys, and we'll hope to make you some more content soon. Take care.